Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tiramisu for beginners. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need fresh mascarpone cheese, large eggs, sugar, and a good quality espresso or strong coffee. Ensure your coffee is brewed and cooled completely before you start. Also, have your ladyfingers ready. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and delicious tiramisu, setting the foundation for the layers to come. Now, let's create the heart of our tiramisu, the creamy filling. Begin by whisking your egg yolks with sugar until they become light in color and have a thick consistency. Next, gently fold in the mascarpone cheese until it's fully combined and smooth. In a separate bowl, whip your egg whites until they form stiff peaks. Finally, carefully fold these whipped whites into the mascarpone mixture, which adds a wonderful airiness to the cream. With our cream ready, it's time to assemble. Take your ladyfingers and quickly dip each one into the cooled espresso. Be careful not to oversoak them, or they'll become too soggy. Arrange a single, even layer of these soaked ladyfingers at the bottom of your serving dish. Then, spread a generous, even layer of your mascarpone cream over the ladyfingers. Repeat this process, creating alternating layers, and ensure your final layer is a smooth spread of the delicious cream. The final steps are all about patience and presentation. Once your tiramisu is fully assembled, cover it loosely and place it in the refrigerator to chill for a minimum of 4 hours. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the dessert to set properly. Just before serving, dust the top generously with unsweetened cocoa powder. Then, slice into individual portions and serve your exquisite homemade tiramisu. It's truly a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.